Kim Chiu at Gerald nagkahiyaan matapos matanggap ang Loyalty Award. Matapos ang naging pagdating ni Kim Chiu sa Okada kanina, ay talagang anabangan naman ang naging outfit nito sa Christmas special ng Star Magic. Ngayong gabi rin, ay kabilang si Kim Chiu sa mga tumanggap ng Loyalty Award. Bukod kay Kim Chiu ay tumanggap din ng award si Gerald Anderson, nakasabayan nitong pumasok sa showbiz industry, magbuhat ng sila ay sumali sa Pinoy Big Brother. Tumanggap din ng award si Jake Cuenca.
To Star Magic for not just giving me this beautiful career, for guiding me for the entire 20 years, but for also giving me a home. Dahil isa lamang po ako, pwede pong i-give. Ang bigat. Mabigat pa rin, no? Para sa lalaki, congrats. Anyway, thank you so much, Star Magic, for this beautiful career sa ABS-CBN. Yun nga, sabi din ni Enchong, ba't ba ito? Ang hirap pala pag nanonood ko. Nagsimula din ako without any talent. Tapos kami Enchong, I don't know how to sing, to dance, to act, but what I only have are dreams and hope na sana ay maitawid ko yung pamilya ko. And yung isang dream ko din na mapanood sa TV everyday. After 20 years, na everyday pa rin naman. So thank you so much for fulfilling my dreams and for giving me this wonderful journey na meron ako ngayon dito sa ABS-CBN. And I also learned with those 20 years is that your talent will bring you in the room and open doors for you, but your attitude will define how long those doors will stay open. Kaya let's never forget to say thank you and be grateful for all the opportunities na binibigay sa atin. It's either big or small, pag pinagsama-sama mo yun, it's a dream that you never thought and your younger self will be proud of you. Na masasabi niya talaga, ay, congrats self, ito na yung narating mo ngayon. So let us not forget lahat ng tumulong sa atin. Especially, I just want to thank also to all my loving supporters.
Tila nagkahiyaan naman si Gerald at Kim kanina at hindi rin sila nagtabi sa photo op, bagamat nagkahiyaan ay bumeso naman si Gerald sa kanya.
More than the...
I just described this award is parang 20 years. It does not feel like 20 years at all. You know, as a newbie, you always hope for at least one or two things. You're hoping for that one big break to start your career. And you want a career that lasts. And I'm so thankful to Star Magic that they gave me the opportunity to experience it. Paglabas ng bahay ko here 20 years ago, I had no experience at all. But it was Star Magic that put me
Parang ganda ng TV.